Hi everyone, today in front of me I have vivo Y76 5G smartphone, and in this video we would like to show the top 3 apps for it. So let's go ahead and start. The first application that I was going to show to you today is called Pixar. It's a very well-known application for editing, retouching, and making all kinds of configurations for pictures and photos. So once you first launch it, just log in. I'll log in with the help of our Gmail account. Skip the ad, and now you can just go ahead and choose the image from your storage. I'll just make the screenshot in order to have some image. And it will shortly appear right here. So we'll just, or actually it will be easier to reload it real quick. So just select an image from the gallery that you want to work with, skip the ad again, and here there are all kinds of tools that you can play with. For example, stretch the picture, disperse it, change its shape, crop it, tilt shift, and so on and so forth. You can also apply some effects. As you can see, some of the features of this app are only available with the premium paid version, but the free instance of this app is good enough, so no need to buy it, basically. You can apply some sticker, cut out the image, or cut out some object or element of the image, and many more. So we highly advise that you download this app and review all these options yourself. Next app that we wanted to share with you is called Notified Buddy, and it allows you to set up the custom LED notifications on your device. So let's go ahead and open it. There is some there are some permissions that we need to grant to this app in prior of working with it. So just allow everything that this app requires. In our case, it's making calls, display over other apps permission, and notification permission. And in the app itself, at the first tab, we have the list of the applications that we can enable the LED notifications for. For example, if I'll enable them for Facebook and tap on this dot that is located on the far right, I'll be able to choose the color of the notification. By default, the Facebook LED color is blue. I'll leave it as it is. Unfortunately, the shape of the LED notification we can only change if you buy the premium version. But I mean, this app is good enough as it is at the free instance, so no worries about that. On the second tab, we have some system stuff that we can also set the LED notifications for. Third tab allows you to manage the apps and notification options and features that we have enabled the LED notifications for. In my case, as you can remember, I've enabled them only for Facebook, so Facebook is the only app that I have at the active tab. And the last tab is responsible for settings, but in prior of opening it, we will need to close this ad. Here you can configure how your LED LED notifications will function and work. For example, you can change the blink intervals, stop timer, and start delays, and many other features that you can play with and set up in accordance with your preferences. And the last app that I wanted to show you is called Caffeine. In prior of opening it, let me show one small detail. So once we go to the settings, display and brightness category, in here we'll see that the maximum value that we can set for the screen timeout feature is 30 minutes. And for example, if you want this value to be never or infinite, that's when the Caffeine application comes into play. It basically allows you to set the custom screen timeout up to the infinite value, and as you can see, we have just set it to the infinite. It basically means that once we set the timeout value to infinite, and the caffeine app is active and running, your screen will not automatically turn off no matter for how much time it will be in the idle status. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye!